Hi, my name is Andrew Rackmel. I'm a Director of Educational Partnerships at Purdue Global. Purdue Global was part of Purdue University. We're both nonprofit public universities in the state of Indiana. Purdue University has the oldest collegiate aviation program in the United States. 27 NASA astronauts have graduated from Purdue. Amelia Earhart was on our faculty. Purdue created its own airport in 1930. It was the first college to have an airport. And we have a rich history in aviation. And approximately 5 years ago, we took this rigorous, legendary professional flight program and we brought it online to make it more accessible around the country for students who want to live at home, save a lot of money, train locally, like at Take Flight Aviation here in Montgomery, New York. And so I'm delighted to be here to share the message with students and prospective students about the advantages that Purdue Global in the professional flight or aviation management degree have over the traditional collegiate campus experience. So at Purdue Global, it's an accelerated pathway. You're going to receive your degree in 3 years or less, not 4 years. You're going to have a bachelor's degree in 3 years or less, and nothing on the academic side will interfere with your flight training, or you being a full-time flight instructor, or you working full-time as an airline pilot. So the idea and the premise behind going to Purdue Global is to be able to train locally, save money, and accelerate in your flight training so you can graduate with not only your degree in 3 years or less, but you'll have accumulated, likely, approximately 1,500 hours towards your airline transport pilot certificate, better known as the ATP. So the idea is you'll start taking 2 courses every 10 weeks at Purdue Global, not 5 courses in a traditional campus program. You're going year-round, 2 courses every 10 weeks. Nothing will interfere with the academics. You'll have a live lecture every week with your professor in each course, live in real time, but it's being recorded in real time so you can go back and refer to that lecture and refresh yourself on the material. So you have, at the end of the day when you graduate, you have the rich history of Purdue on your diploma. And of course, the airlines, that resonates with the airlines. They love graduates of Purdue. And if you're doing corporate jets or cargo, the same opportunity lies. We even help you find a job in your field of study. So 6 months before you graduate, you're assigned an advisor whose role it is to help you find a job in your field of study. It's all included, and the process to enroll is easy. There's no cost for the application to apply. We have 4 start dates a year, 1 every 90 days. Through the partnership that we have with Take Flight Aviation, the student receives 20% tuition reduction. That's a 20% tuition discount off any undergraduate program, 14% off for any graduate degree, and that also includes all your immediate family members. So, in the professional flight or aviation management degree, which are undergraduate programs, the student is training at Take Flight Aviation. They're taking 2 courses simultaneously online every 10 weeks. They'll have graduated in 3 years or less with the bachelor's degree in either professional flight or aviation management. Why? How is that happening? Because we're giving the student 1 year of college credits for having obtained private instrument commercial multi-engine CFI. Those 5 FAA certificates and ratings earn that student 45 transfer credits at Purdue Global, which is 1 year of college. and you get the 20% off tuition off all remaining credits, so you're saving $28,400. That's right, $28,400 off your degree program. Feel free to reach out to me at any time. If you're looking to apply, you can scan that QR code if you see it. You can contact me at arachmell@PurdueGlobal.edu. That's arachmell@PurdueGlobal.edu. And you can also reach out to me by cell phone, 561-703-0480, or feel free to talk to the folks right here at Take Flight Aviation. We look forward to having you as a student at Purdue Global. Thank you so much.